This is what a peak creativity laptop looks like, and it comes from Asus. It goes by the name of Zenbook Pro Duo 15 OLED UX582. The most fascinating thing here is the super cool second screen that can be used to unleash your creativity. But more on that later. We are not surprised to see the premium packaging it comes with. Inside, you will find a leather sleeve, a 240-watt power brick, and a dedicated Asus pen meant for use with both touchscreen displays. In addition to that, there is a stand, similar to that of the Zenbook Duo 14 UX482, plus a good-looking armrest, for better comfort when using the keyboard. Well, this device definitely looks different. In contrast to the politics of the Zenbook lineup, the Zenbook Pro Duo 15 OLED UX582 has a slightly thick profile that measures from 21.5 to 24.5 mm. Also, it weighs 2.34 kilograms, which is a bit heavy, but there is a reason for that. First, the laptop is built out of aluminum-magnesium alloy and feels extremely sturdy, covering the US MIL STD 810G military-grade standard. The construction is impressive. When you open the lid, the main hinges start rotating the secondary ones, and the screen pad plus lifts from the main body. Respectively, this makes it a lot more comfortable for work and opens room for the fans to breathe, resulting in higher performance due to the reduced throttling and longer life of the components. There is a third advantage to this. It covers most of the bottom bezel, which leaves the illusion that all four bezels are extremely thin. Rich I/O section is crucial for creative workstations, and Zenbook Pro Duo has a lot to brag about. On the left side, there is the charging plug, an HDMI 2.1 connector, as well as an audio jack. Then, on the right, there is a USB Type-A 3.2 Gen 1 port, and two Thunderbolt 3 connectors. Once the notebook is turned on, you can use the Screen Pad Plus as a secondary screen, a mapped shortcut, or as a control panel for your creative app. Currently, the supported programs all come from the Adobe portfolio, but more apps will be joining them soon. The synergy between the two displays is superb, as you can drag and drop images, menus, and more from one screen to the other, which also works with the Asus Pen, which has 4096 pressure levels. The Screen Pad Plus can also hold multiple windows, so the possibilities of flexible arrangement of apps between the main and secondary screen are endless. Thanks to the OLED panel, the main display covers 100% of the sRGB color gamut, as well as 100% of the DCI-P3, which results in an unbelievably vibrant and punchy image, including true blacks. The visual qualities are complemented with a very good audio system. Our tests show that its low, mid, and high tones are clear of deviations. Zenbook Pro Duo is equipped with a massive 92 watt-hours battery which has to power the two screens, as well as the powerful hardware. It lasted almost 9 hours in our web browsing test, while the video playback test drained its juice for just over 8.5 hours. As we've already said, Zenbook Pro Duo is meant for professionals and is built with them in mind. It comes with an 8-core 10th Gen Intel processor with standard voltage, which means that working with heavy applications won't be a problem for Zenbook UX582. In the GPU department, UX582 sports one of the best graphics on the market, the RTX 3070 with 110 watt of TGP.
Looks like this will be a cool breeze.
Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Rayfield's mine.
What are you doing?
Chingados.
Drop your weapons.
The cooling solution includes 5 heat pipes, one of which is used for the graphics memory and the VRMs. The rest are split between the CPU and GPU. We've got a configuration with the Core i7-1087-0H which keeps its frequency at about 50% over the base clock speed while keeping the temperature of the chip around 80 degrees Celsius, even after 15 minutes of 100% load. The external temperature is also kept at comfortable levels. The notebook reached just 37.8 degrees Celsius at its warmest point, after 30 minutes of gameplay. Thanks for being with us and stay tuned for our next quick reviews. See you.